Alright guys, so what we're going to make today is Mentsuyu. I have 2 cups of dashi here. This is ichiban dashi, so it's got some good flavor. I have a 1/4 cup of usukuchi shoyu, and I have a 1/4 cup of mirin. So all we have to do is combine these ingredients into a saucepan, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for a couple minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve, or ready to use on whatever it is, your noodles. You can use it for tofu, you can use it for fish or meat, you can use it on your vegetables depending on how you're preparing it. So there's a lot of uses for this. Mentsuyu can be used on various noodles. That's why it's called men. Men means noodles in Japanese. I particularly like this one for udon. There's different ratios that you can use for Mentsuyu. So for this particular one, the ratio is 8 to 1 to 1, and that's dashi to shoyu to the usukuchi shoyu to the mirin. So once it's ready, I'll go ahead and put it, you can use it right away or you can store it for later. It usually keeps for a few days, but if you're not going to use it within, I would say 3 days, then you should either freeze it or throw it out, because of the dashi, it doesn't keep very long. So just one thing to keep in mind. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, and I think this is ready to be taken off the stove. I'll go ahead and put it in my Pyrex so it stops cooking. Most of the alcohol smell is gone. So this yielded about 2.5 cups of Mentsuyu. This particular one that I just made is made with usukuchi shoyu. You can use regular shoyu too. It doesn't really matter. Usukuchi shoyu is going to give you a lighter broth, lighter colored broth, but the flavor is going to be more or less the same. So here's my Mentsuyu. It smells delicious. And I hope you get a chance to try this at home. Alright, see you next time.